Light shapes space. With high safety standards, it features flame-retardant PC material and a high-temperature-resistant aluminum PCB. Designed to meet international electrical standards, it provides shock-proof protection. Equipped with intelligent connectors to prevent overload-induced burnout. It supports 100 to 240 volts constant current wide voltage and offers surge protection against lightning strikes. It is resistant to moisture, fog, and water splashes, ensuring safety and durability. The high-brightness LED chips and an 86% light transmitting lampshade deliver 30% more brightness than standard honeycomb lights, while being 20% more energy efficient, with no glare or flicker, and a 6500K natural light color temperature. It promotes eye comfort and health, featuring 15 uniquely designed connectors. Independently developed and patent certified, allowing for DIY assembly in various shapes and customizable lighting colors based on personal preference. Additionally, size, color, and logo can be tailored to your needs, making it ideal for car washes, barber shops, gyms, garages, supermarkets, and other commercial spaces.